Good morning, students. Welcome back to your computer class. Today, we are continuing with our first chapter, that is computer network. In our previous class, we have discussed computer network, what is computer network. We also discussed definition of networking, computer network, etc. Then we discuss components of data communication, in which we have discussed sender, receiver, what is message, what are protocols. Then we have discussed 5 to 6 benefits of a network. Network के क्या क्या benefit होते हैं. Then we discussed networking media, that is also called transmission media, in which we have discussed two types of networking media, that is wireless and wired. In wired we have discussed coaxial cable, etc. In wireless we have discussed Wi-Fi, infrared, etc. Then lastly we have discussed types of network. How many types of network, in which we have discussed LAN, MAN, WAN, PAN, CAN, etc. Today we are studying very interesting topic, that is network topology. First thing, what is a topology? Topology, the art of connecting different computers in a network, is known as topology. The term network topology refers to the way in which the nodes of a network are linked together. There are basically four types of network topology. First is star, second is ring, third is bus, and fourth is mesh. First, star topology. In this, all the nodes are connected to a central system called switch. The switch controls the communication on the network. But मतलब ओवरऑल कम्युनिकेशन कौन सेट करता है? स्विच. यदि स्विच खराब हो गया तो पूरा नेटवर्क फेल हो जाएगा. ये इसकी डिसएडवांटेज है. और एडवांटेज ये है कि ये एकदम कॉस्ट कम होती है इसकी. और अगर कोई भी लोकल कंप्यूटर फेल हो जाए तो नेटवर्क पे कोई भी इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ता है. देन नेक्स्ट इज ring topology. In this, all the nodes are connected in a closed loop so that each device is connected to other devices. In this, computers are connected in shape of closed ring. एक रिंग की तरह होता है बेटा. इसकी एडवांटेज ये होती है, मोर रिलायबल होता है, इस पर विश्वास किया जा सकता है स्टार टोपोलॉजी से ज्यादा. बट डिसएडवांटेज ये होती है, अगर कोई भी एक नोड फेल हो गया तो पूरा नेटवर्क फेल हो जाता है. देन नेक्स्ट इज bus topology. In this, all the nodes are connected to a central cable called bus. इसकी एडवांटेज होती है हमारे पास, failure of one node does not affect the rest of the network, and its disadvantage is that a signal on the bus must be strong enough to reach the receiver. आपका सिग्नल इतना स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए कि वो रिसीवर तक पहुंच सके. Then next is mesh topology. In this, all the nodes are interconnected with वन अनदर. हर नोड एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड होता है. इसकी एडवांटेजेस ये होती है, फेलियर ऑफ वन नोड डज नॉट अफेक्ट रेस्ट ऑफ द नेटवर्क एंड कम्युनिकेशन इज वेरी फास्ट. बट डिसएडवांटेजेस भी होती है, इट इज मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव टोपोलॉजी एंड मेंटेनेंस इज वेरी difficult. So we have discussed four types of topology. Here we are using a term again and again, that is node. Then what is a node? A node is a computer or any other device on a network that communicates with other devices. Then networking devices. First is modem, that is also called modulator and G-modulator. It is an electronic device that enables a computer to transmit data over telephone lines. Telephone lines से data को transmit करने के लिए कौन allow करता है? Modem. Then next is hub. It provides a central communication point to connect several computers together. Then next, switch, which is used in star topology. Switch, it sends data packets to the internet receiver. Then next, router, it is a communication device that is used to connect two networks. Then gateway, it is a device that connects dissimilar networks को connect करने के लिए क्या use करते हैं हम लोग? Gateway. And the last one is bridge. It is a networking device that creates a single aggregate network from multiple communication network. Single network बनाता है multiple communication networks. Then next is networking terminology. हम networking कुछ words हमेशा use करते हैं, but हमें उसका मतलब पता नहीं है. आज हम कुछ discuss करेंगे. Then first is intranet. It is a set of interconnected network forming the internal network within a company. For example, the people of Indian Railways are connected to a network which cannot be accessed by someone outside the network. Then second is internet. The internet is a network of networks. It consists of millions of small networks worldwide. It is publicly accessible and transmit data using the standard internet protocol. The next is bandwidth. हम लोग bandwidth की बात करते हैं. Bandwidth होता क्या है? Bandwidth is defined as the amount of data that can be transmitted in a fixed amount of time. इसको हम एक्सप्रेस कैसे कर सकते हैं? bpps, bps bits per second, bytes per second, kbps kilobyte per second, and mbps megabyte per second. Then internet service provider. ISP is a company that provides service for using internet, just like Jio, Airtel, Idea, etc. वेबसाइट, हम सब कुछ जानते हैं. वेबसाइट इज अ collection of related web pages that provide information about many things such as a person, business, organization, education, games, etc. A website is like a book that contains many pages. Then next is web portal. A web portal is a specially designed website that brings information from different sources like email, forms and search engines together in a uniform way. Then web page. हम जो भी वेबसाइट पे पेज देखते हैं वो क्या होता है, एक वेब पेज होता है. इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ ए वेबसाइट. इट इज स्टोर्ड इन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक form on a computer connected to the internet. Then next is home page. Every website has a main page. This is the first page which appears when we open a website. This is called home page. Then next is link. It is a medium in data communication for transmitting and receiving digital information. Then hyperlink. It is used to connect two web pages. If we click on a word, it opens on another web page, that is called hyperlink. Hypertext. It is a file including text, graphics, audio, video, and hyperlink to related files. Then URL, Uniform Resource Locator. It is an address when you type in a web browser to access a particular resource, or we can say it is an address of a website. Then next, IP address, Internet Protocol address. It is a unique number to designate the address of a website. It is a 32-bit numeric address. हर कंप्यूटर, हर पीसी, लैपटॉप जो भी हम इंटरनेट पे यूज करते हैं उसका आईपी एड्रेस होता है. देन लास्ट इज डीएनएस, डोमेन नेम सिस्टम. इट इज एड्रेस ऑफ अ वेबसाइट. Lastly, we will discuss protocol. It defines rules for communication between networking devices. The first is Internet Protocol. It is used to send data from one computer to another computer on the internet. When we send or receive data, the message get divided into packets. हम इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल की हेल्प से कोई भी डेटा को भेजते हैं तो किसमें बदल जाता है, पैकेट्स के अंदर. देन नेक्स्ट इज ट्रांसमिशन कंट्रोल प्रोटोकॉल. It is the protocol that puts the packets back in the right order. Then the last is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is a set of rules for transferring files on www World Wide Web. HTTP is an application protocol that run on the top of the TCP/IP protocol. So students, today we discuss what are the networking terminology, what are the topology, and what are the networking devices we are using in networking. With this video, I am sending you the PDF of question answer of this chapter 1, which you have to do in your notebook. Thank you class for watching.